Say hi.
Hey.
What we're gonna do?
Play with kinetic sand.
Oh, there you go. Kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand feels like you're not touching anything when you do that, but you actually are. It's like cool.
Yeah, and you can make things like I don't know. You can make like a wannabe castle. See?
We even have a castle mold.
Yeah. A castle mold.
I'll try to make one.
Why I play in it. I play, she make. I play, she make. Castle.
It's like a solid, but it's like a liquid.
Same thing. Yeah. Oh yeah, right? So look at it. It's like heart. Heart. Then watch this. It's like jibbery and stuff.
It's like same as oobleck.
It's like that glue stuff they make.
Slime?
Yeah, it's like slime, but sand.
Sand, kinetic sand.
Yeah. It's really cool. Even though she's dropping it on the floor, it's easy to clean up.
Yep, all you gotta do is get it off. Sometimes it's hard.
Kinetic sand. Bye.
Bye.